Hey, this is Culver from Symmetry Electronics, and in part 2 of our Medium One video series, we'll be going over how engineers can integrate the Medium One IoT kit into their product design. In our previous video, we gave an overview on why an engineer would want to use the IoT kit and how Medium One can help with their IoT application. Here, I'm going to show you how we conceptualize the smart pillbox that we made for this video series. Here's our prototype smart pillbox. We took a generic wooden box and we added in Digi's XBee3 development board, as well as a accelerometer and an antenna. Now, all three of these are included with the Medium One IoT cellular kit. Now, the nice thing about this is that because it's cellularly connected through LTE-M, it's great for low power applications, as well as not having to worry about Wi-Fi or internet outages. Now, for most IoT applications, you can follow the same approach that we did. So where does Medium One fit in all of this? As you can see from the diagram, Medium One helps provide an IoT platform and a user portal that links between the developer and the end user. The developer can add Python code into the Digi's XBee3, which then transmits the data cellularly into Medium One's IoT platform. With that IoT platform, the developer can interpret the data so that the end users can use the user portal, which then receives that data for their own use. Now, when you order Medium One's IoT cellular kit with Digi's XBee3, you get something that looks like this. Now, if you want to learn more about what's inside of this kit, check out our previous video where we did an unboxing of this kit. You do get the accelerometer and the antenna that you see in our smart pillbox, as well as the ribbon cable. Now, each kit comes with your very own cloud portal and credentials. There's a quick start guide that helps you set up the basics. We recommend you go through this first. In terms of assembly for our prototype, we kept things pretty simple since it's just a prototype. We drilled a hole in the back just to let the power adapter feed through. And of course, in the end product, you wouldn't need the power adapter since the XBee3 module runs on coin cell battery. We made sure there was enough room to add the development board, accelerometer, and to let everything sort of just tuck right underneath. Now, if we wanted to, we could even put a piece of plastic here just to cover it up. We wanted to also make sure that we didn't short out the pins, which is why we created it in wood, so we didn't have to worry about that. As for sticking on these boards, we just used industrial strength double-sided tape right here with the Velcro. We'll be covering how to program your Medium One IoT application in our next video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss it. And for all things wireless IoT and video, Symmetry has you covered.